Hey, I got a quick video replacing the mirror on my 2019 Chevy Silverado. Had a little run-in with the side of the garage bagging in and tore it up. And this is just the process of replacing it. All right, so there's a little plastic cover inside here that you're gonna pop off, and then that's gonna expose the little screw there in the corner. Those take, which one did I have? 11, no, 932. That's what I used to take the small screws off with. So there's one here. You're gonna have to pop off this cover. And as you can see on the end there, there's a long tab there that actually slides into place. So you want to start on this end, popping it off, and then slide it out this way. You do not want to start back here on this end, pulling out, or you might break that tab off. We don't want to break that. Once you get that off, there's two screws down here that you're going to take off, and then two more down here that you're going to take off. And then once you get those screws out, you're just going to pop the panel off with the clips all the way around. And once you get all the clips popped off, you just lift up to get it out of the channel, and it's going to come off. There are some wires and stuff in the back here. Some of the videos say to disconnect all the wires and stuff, but I realized that if you just sit the panel on the box or something like I did and just support it, you can easily get to where the mirror is. This little plastic panel just pops off, and it will expose the mirror and the four screws and stuff that's holding the mirror on. The plug that I have, the mirror that I have is an electric heated mirror. So there's a plug going to it. I'm not sure what the other models have, if they have like blinkers in the lights and all that kind of stuff. But you just pull the little red tab back. There's a little black tab on top. You push down, and then you just slide the plug out, and then loosen the four screws there, the four nuts, and pull it out. Right now I already have the new one in place, and I'm just reversing the process now. When you're taking all of the nuts off, make sure you reach around and hold it, the mirror, so that it doesn't fall off, because once you take these off, the mirror might just fall out the other side. So right now, like I said, I'm reversing the process. The new one's on. I'm just going to start putting the nuts back on, plug it in, and then reverse the process. The locking mechanism here is on like a little swivel. Just make sure when you put the panel back on, you put it back up through that hole there when you put it back up. And that's about it. Put the panel back, snap it in, put the screws back in, the panels back over the screws, and that's it. Real simple. Oh yeah, the mirror, like I said, the mirror that I have is the powered mirror and heat. So I have the 5-pin mirror. If you go online and order from some of the different sites, you might see some with the 3-pin, 5-pin, or 7-pin or something like that. Like I said, depends on how many functions your mirror has. Mine does not have the blinker function on it. It's just the heated and powered mirrors. So I don't have the blinker on the outside. So make sure you're ordering the right mirror when you place your order. The nuts that are holding the mirror in are a 13 millimeter. So you're gonna need the 13 millimeter and the 932 socket for the screws that are on the door. Okay, before I close everything up, I just want to make sure that the mirror works. So I just turned the power on to the truck. I'm gonna work the mirror and see if it works. We got side to side, up and down. Everything seems to be working. All right, so I'm going to close it up, and should be all done. Okay, got the screws back in, got those nice and tight. Plug is in, red tab is snapped back in. I'm gonna put the cover back on. All right. Locking mechanism. Get this back in the hole here. Put the door back up top. There it is. Right. Snap our little clips back in. And now I'm going to start putting the screws back in. All done. Everything's back in place. Just make sure everything's snapped back in. Here's the final product of what it looks like. Pretty much OEM looking. Glass, the mirror part is pretty clear, not wavy. I know in some of the comments it was saying that the mirror was kind of cloudy and wavy and not right, but this one seems to be pretty clear and not wavy at all, as you can see. I will have a little description of the product and where I got it from. Actually, I'm going to put up a little video right here. That way you can see where I got it from. It was from Amazon. It was 125 bucks. The 5-pin, I think it was Liaquin or something like that, but it'll be in the video in the description where I got it from. All right, guys, thanks for checking me out.